Hi, my name is Lakshminarayan Rao. I'm the CTO for Technology Services at HP India. HP, as you know, is a company that is built on innovation. There's a whole lot of things that we are doing around the verticals, and one of the verticals that I'm specifically looking at is the education domain. At HP, we've got a future school vision. A vision that is envisaged to help students do what they do best. One of the components is the ERP, or the Education Cloud. Education Cloud is a platform that provides automation for all the IT needs for a school or a college. There are several components. One of the components is the ERP. We were to look for a partner who would actually do justice in terms of what we had as a vision. And we zoned in on Fedina. What's so great about Fedina? For starters, it's fantastic UI. The entire user experience is so fabulous that it makes a lot of sense for students because they're used to that kind of a clutter-free design. The feature set of Fedina is comprehensive. In fact, it covers the entire life cycle of a student from admission to graduation. We'll be able to upload lesson plans, we'll be able to upload PowerPoints, we'll be able to upload reference material of the faculty and make it available at point of need, which is actually at the time of lecture and so on. There are many more features that I can talk about, but I believe all in all, Fedina as a solution was comprehensive, and we know that it will scale up to the needs of the market, which is the reason why we selected Fedina as our partner for the Education Cloud. Fedina has been a great choice for us, and we've been working with the team over the last few months, and every engagement with Fedina has been a very productive one. All in all, I would say that we've made the right choice for a partner such as Fedina because we believe they will grow along with us as we actually soar higher when it comes to providing innovative education technology for schools and colleges in India and across the globe.